In the dimly lit alley where the city's secrets whispered through the shadows, Jake's repair stood as a beacon for the broken and the battered, a haven for those who sought to revive the unloved, the discarded, and the worn out. Jake, the enigmatic owner, with hands as skilled as they were mysterious, breathed new life into the discarded, weaving a tale of restoration and rebirth.